2500 liter vacuum homogenizer machine. And now I introduce the details for you first. This is for handling. This for handling the pump, for pouring the products from the tank directly, or you can put out the products from this outlet value, or you can connect with the vacuum pressure for pressing the products out from this part. Okay, and here, this is for heating, the inject heating. The water is inlet from here, from this value, and come out from this value, and come out from here. We will give you a connector from here. And this is the cycling for the homogenizer, because when the homogenizer working, there will be many holes inside the homogenizer. So this water cycle is for cooling down the searing of the homogenizer. And please note that it should be full of water in this tank, in this small tank. It's full of water for cycling. Do not open without water inside, okay? And see, here is the water cooling for the vacuum pump. This is the water in, and this is the water out. This is the inlet, and this is the outlet. You can connect with through this hole, okay? From here, I will make mark for this from here. And for the vacuum machine, here is the light view, and this is for 这是清零系统吗？对。This is the CIP cleaning system, this one, and this is air filter, and this one is fragrance inside, or perfume inside, and this one is for products suction into the tank. And this is connected with the oil and water tank for suction with the vacuum. When inside the vacuum open on, the products will suction directly to the tank directly, okay? And this is for checking the working function inside the tank. And also you can open it with the crank for checking inside the products. Here is the operating panel. All this is showing inside on it. And this one is for temperature of the oil tank. This one is for temperature tank. Here is the temperature adjusted. This is for this direction is for increase the temperature, and this direction is for reduce the temperature. And here, when they switch to this part, is showing the temperature for inside the tank, and when pressing this part, it is showing setting number. It's a setting number, okay? Please note it. It's setting, and it's the real number inside the tank. And for this is a speed adjustment for the mix. This is for homogenizer. Oh, sorry, this is for mixing, and this is for homogenizer. When you open the machine, just press wrong and screw this. This is okay for adjusting the speed, and no need to others. Of course, first you should open these buttons. The red one is for stop, and the green one is for open. When you press like this, the oil pot heating. And please note that when you open the heating part, you should make sure the jacket is full of water. How do you adjust? It is full of water when the water comes inside from this part. It is showing that the jacket is full. Okay. And here, this is lifting for the hydraulic, and this is done. This is the vacuum pump. And also noted that the vacuum pump, before opening, you should connect with water for cycling. Also the homogenizer. And this is mixing, heating, mixing for the, this is mixing for the water tank. This is mixing for the oil tank. And all this is separated. You should make sure that I will, our engineer will test a little later, okay? And for the connection inside, normally when you receive the machine, you should, 是不是这些线? You should connect these wires. I will make marks on it, okay? And also the bottom one. All this has already made the marks, but I will make again. And please note that the power wire should not connect, make wrong. All these parts is like this, okay? Now make the hydraulic of the machine, and you should you should press the hydraulic button one time is okay, and the light will be on. It is showing that the hydraulic is working. The green light is just for showing the function is working, okay? Now we open mixing. You should open mixing first, and then you should press run and the green button and screw the screen is okay. The speed can be adjusted, and also you can open homogenizer. And you should press the homogenizer first and set the number, set the speed, adjust the speed number. And this is for homogenizer time setting. This is the set number, this is the working number. When the working number meets the set number, the machine will, the homogenizer will stop working, okay? Okay, hydraulic down, jump. Pressing one time, and it will be a little down. And when you open the vacuum pump, you should make sure that all the values is closed, okay? All the values closed. Then press vacuum pump. Press vacuum pump, and it will show inside here. 这个数字是90是吧？
这样一般出到50就可以。
Normally the number is around, you can stop around 50 to 60 is okay. 50 to 60. And when you suction, when you make the vacuum pump, and you can suction the products. You can suction the products. Open the value and it will suction. Okay. And then after finish suction, you should close the value again. And when you stop the vacuum pump, you should close this first, and then press the vacuum pump. close this first,
现在开搅拌，
and then close the root pump, the vacuum pump. Okay. Now we open the mixing. 看不清啊。看不清。不是摄像头的问题。搅拌，快一点。The mixing speed and homogenizer speed all is high now. Okay. And when the machine working, the vacuum may be increased. And when you need to make it a vacuum again, you can 是不是先开这个是吧？然后再开那个真空泵，还是先开真空泵再开这个？
先开这个，开这个，先开这个。
You should open this first and then open the vacuum pump. And when you stop the vacuum pump, you should close this first and then stop the vacuum pump. Please note the steps, okay? Okay, now we open the mixing of the water and you should notice that the mixing direction is like this. If the direction is not right, you should change the wire connection, okay? Like this. And also for the connection of the inject heating parts is from here. And then you should close the water should be come out from here. We will connect the value for you, okay? Both on the same. Okay.